So here are some Monopoly guide tips and tricks that will help you to win in Monopoly Go. So number 1 on our list is collect the shield faster. Shields are basically elements that blocks others from damaging your landmarks. Here being a amateur, it's a very important to gather some shields very fast. This is because at first your empire is very small and hence if all of your built landmarks are broken, you should at least collect a minimum of 3 shields. So number 2 on our list is use auto rolls wisely while playing the board game. You'll come across an auto roll upgrade. It's basically an upgrade through which you can roll your dice multiple times. You can use it by pressing the go option for a long time, but sometimes you shouldn't use the auto roll or else you may end up in the jail option on the board. Just calculate every step before pressing the auto roll. And number 3 on our list is focus on landmarks. After gathering a handful of money, you have several options to invest them, but the investment first priority always will be on landmarks. This is because of some other players will buy plots before you'll lose your plots. Hence afterwards you want to buy them again, you have to do it. But at an extra cost, also building more landmarks will expand your empire. So tip number 4, mini games are a free source of money. Many people ignore this, but mini games are the best source to earn extra money as a result. Never ignore mini games and try to complete them as soon as you get the chance. The games are basically easy, so earning cash would not be a problem. You can use to earn cash afterwards where you want. Number 5 on our list is to try to land on homes. When you build landscapes or knock down other properties, you receive a house-shaped token. The place where the token gets placed can give you extra money as a result. Try to land on those places to earn extra, and that's it. So these are some tips and tricks that you can use to win in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.